What time is it?
It's 3:30 in the afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
How old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older brother.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock music.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish and a little French.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
Where did you go to school?
I went to university in Toronto.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading, hiking, and playing guitar.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have any children yet.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel whenever I can.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm today.
Where do you live?
I live in a small apartment downtown.
How do you get to work?
I take the subway to work.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 in the morning.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I'm a big sports fan.
What sport do you play or watch?
I love watching soccer and basketball.
Have you ever been to the United States?
Yes, I've been to New York and Los Angeles.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is iced tea.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely a night owl.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax, meet friends, or watch movies.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking a lot.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, there's a great Italian restaurant near my house.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies and dramas.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games sometimes.
What's your favorite video game?
My favorite is The Legend of Zelda.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I read almost every day.
What's the best place you've ever visited?
Paris was amazing.
Do you like shopping?
Yes. I like shopping for clothes and books.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I love spring.
Are you good at dancing?
Not really. I'm not a good dancer.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like to sing in the shower.
What's your favorite song right now?
Right now, my favorite song is Blinding Lights by The Weeknd.
Do you have a favorite singer or band?
I love Coldplay.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I usually watch TV or read.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise 3 times a week.
Do you have a gym membership?
Yes, I have a gym membership.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberries.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like broccoli and carrots.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 at night.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really like my job.
What's the best thing about your job?
The best thing is working with great people.
Do you work from home?
No, I go to the office every day.
How long have you worked there?
I've worked there for 4 years.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a writer.
Do you like your boss?
Yes, my boss is very supportive.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going hiking with friends.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm meeting some friends for dinner.
Do you celebrate Christmas?
Yes, I celebrate Christmas every year.
What's your favorite Christmas song?
My favorite is Jingle Bells.
Do you like summer or winter more?
I prefer summer.
Have you ever been to Europe?
Yes, I've been to France and Italy.
What's your favorite city in the world?
I love Barcelona.
Do you prefer mountains or the beach?
I prefer the beach.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dolphin.
Are you afraid of spiders?
Yes, I'm terrified of spiders.
Do you like horror movies?
No, I don't like horror movies.
What's the scariest movie you've ever seen?
The scariest was The Conjuring.
Do you believe in ghosts?
I'm not sure. Maybe.
What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is heights.
Are you a good driver?
Yes. I think I'm a good driver.
Do you have a car?
Yes. I have a car.
What kind of car do you drive?
I drive a black Honda Civic.
Do you like to drive fast?
No. I drive carefully.
Have you ever had a car accident?
No. Luckily, I've never had an accident.
Do you use public transport?
Yes. I use the bus sometimes.
What's your favorite way to travel?
I like traveling by train.
Do you like flying?
Yes. I like flying.
Have you ever been on a cruise?
No. I've never been on a cruise.
What's your favorite vacation memory?
My trip to Japan was unforgettable.
Do you like camping?
Yes. I love camping.
Have you ever been hiking?
Yes. I go hiking every summer.
Do you like the ocean?
Yes. I love the ocean.
Can you swim?
Yes. I can swim well.
What's your favorite sport to watch on TV?
I love watching soccer on TV.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No. I don't play any instruments.
What's your favorite instrument?
I think the piano is beautiful.
Do you like art?
Yes. I like modern art.
Have you ever been to an art museum?
Yes. I've been to the Louvre.
What's your favorite painting?
I love Starry Night by Van Gogh.
Do you like photography?
Yes. I like taking photos.
Do you have a favorite photographer?
I like Annie Leibovitz.
What's your favorite season for clothes?
I like spring for clothes.
Do you like to wear hats?
Yes. I sometimes wear hats.
What's your favorite item of clothing?
My favorite is a cozy sweater.
Do you like jewelry?
Yes. I like simple jewelry.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes. I wear glasses for reading.
Do you have any tattoos?
No. I don't have any tattoos.